is Kendra Okata. I am 12 years old.
You are making noise.
The name of my school is Child Bilingual Institute. It is located in Ghana. I like the programming because my school is teaching us, and the extension I use is text to speech extension. So now I'm going to demonstrate my program.
Hello, John. Hello. How are you doing? I'm fine, thank you. Why are you not wearing your nose mask? I was about to wear it. Always wear your nose mask and don't forget to wash your hands with soap under running water and don't forget okay, Addison.
Yes. So when clicked, the program will run. The name of my sprites I used was Abby and John. I believe this program will help people educate other people about the COVID-19 so that we can beat it away. Thank you.